Building with Papa. Okay, I'm going to renovate this bathroom. I'm showing you quickly the demo process. We're going to take out the shower walls, or actually this is a tub area. We're going to remove the tub and make this a shower. Alright, well, you have to start getting the drywall off the wall, so you break up the tile and then start pulling it out. Usually it comes off in bigger chunks, but this one isn't. You just keep working at it, it comes off. Anyway, we're going to be making this a shower with a niche. Oh, here's a nice piece, that was cool. With a niche for a shelf. And we're going to put in a shower pan. Also, I'll show you how to do the drain. I have another video to show you how you do the drain for removing a tub and making it a shower. But you just keep working on it. I made the niche and I used the red guard. I put several coats in the niche because I make that nice and waterproof. And then you have to silicone all the joints and the screws. So I run through with the silicone. I do all my joints and hit the screw heads at the same time. Okay, and once you have all of that done, I didn't bring the board all the way down yet, so we're going to put it in the shower pan so that I can bring the board down to cover the pan. Alright, now the pan's installed. I have to cut out for the drain, and then we'll pack the mud. Alright, now we got the mud going. Now I do my layout for my tile, use my laser, and that pencil line you see down there is going to be the first row of tile. So I put some wood across the bottom on that line, and that's where I'm going to start my tile. I butter the back and the wall, and then start putting the tile up. I like these spacers. They work really nice. This is my first time using them, but I'm going to continue to use them from now on. It made the job nice and easy. Okay, I could only go 3 rows high. I didn't want to go any higher than that, so I could only do 3 rows in a day. But it's coming along nicely. Well, here's the floor. I cut them and I lay them in place. Then I pull them all out. Then I put my thin set in and set my tile. It works good this way. Alright, now let the tile set overnight and I can finish the bottom row. Alright, I put in my sill, put in the rest of the tile. Now this part here is the cleaning. I gotta clean this like crazy. I'll get up there and get that done too. This way we're getting ready to grout. Okay, now everything got grouted. It looks really good. And now we take it to the next step. Everything gets cleaned. Start putting all the trim on. The shower door, the grab bars. I have all of this on separate videos. And there you go. Now the renovation's complete. I turned the light around for them, put in a vanity, new toilet, new exhaust fan, and painted everything. Alright, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. What a difference, huh?